Hi guys, welcome to your channel एजुकेशनल प्लाजा। एजुकेशनल प्लाजा चैनल में आप सभी का स्वागत है। Dear children, today I am going to discuss about Civics Chapter 1 Power Sharing, Class 10 Civics, Power Sharing Revision. In my previous videos, you have studied about ethnic composition of Belgium and Sri Lanka. You have also studied about power sharing arrangements in Belgium and Sri Lanka. So, some of the objective questions based on these topics I am going to bring before you, and I request you test yourself and reply the questions, complete this test paper. After that, I will proceed towards new topics, further topics, why power sharing is good or desirable, or different forms of power sharing. So first, let us complete this test paper. So dear children, if you are first time on my channel and till you have not subscribed, please subscribe it. Also press the bell icon so that you can get the notification continuously. The test paper will give you your real strength regarding the topics. It will help you in the preparation of your board examination. So it is objective type question paper, but it will help you a lot in answering objective as well as subjective questions. First question, Brussels is the capital of Belgium. True or false? Brussels is the capital of Belgium. Is it true or false? In Brussels, second question it is, in Brussels, Dutch %, and French %. Third question, dash and dash were ethnic groups of Sri Lanka. Third question is, dash and dash were ethnic groups of Sri Lanka. Fourth question, there is majority of dash in Belgium. बेल्जियम में किसकी मेजोरिटी थी? फिफ्थ क्वेश्चन, इन बेल्जियम 59% पीपल वेयर फ्रेंच स्पीकर्स, 40% डच स्पीकर्स एंड 2% जर्मन स्पीकर्स. इज इट ट्रू और फॉल्स? यू हैव टू मेंशन ईदर ट्रू और फॉल्स. सिक्स्थ क्वेश्चन, श्रीलंकन गवर्नमेंट टुक द साइड ऑफ डैश कम्युनिटी एंड डिस्क्रिमिनेटेड अगेंस्ट डैश. श्रीलंकन गवर्नमेंट ने किस कम्युनिटी का फेवर किया और किसका विरोध किया? शेयरिंग रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज इज कॉल्ड एज. सेवेंथ नंबर क्वेश्चन, शेयरिंग रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज इज कॉल्ड एज. एट्थ क्वेश्चन इज, इन श्रीलंका पावर शेयरिंग सिस्टम वाज इफेक्टिव और डिफेक्टिव. श्रीलंका में जो पावर शेयरिंग अरेंजमेंट था, वाज इट इफेक्टिव और डिफेक्टिव? दैट यू हैव टू मेंशन in question number 8th. So 5 true false, 6th fill in the blanks, 7th fill in the blanks, 8th is also fill in the blanks. 9th question is, Sri Lanka got freedom in 1948. True or false? 10th question, in Sri Lanka Sinhala was dash and Tamils were %. श्रीलंका में सिन्हाला कितना % थे, तमिल्स कितने % थे? 11th नंबर क्वेश्चन, द पॉलिसी ऑफ फेवरिंग मेजॉरिटी कम्युनिटी इज कॉल्ड डैश. व्हेन मेजॉरिटी कम्युनिटी इज फेवर्ड इट इज कॉल्ड डैश. 12th क्वेश्चन, इन बेल्जियम पावर शेयरिंग वाज डन इफेक्टिवली. ट्रू और फॉल्स? बेल्जियम में पावर शेयरिंग अरेंजमेंट इफेक्टिवली किया गया. अगर ये सही है तो ट्रू, गलत है तो फॉल्स. 13, इन श्रीलंका डैश लैंग्वेज वाज डिक्लेयर्ड एज ऑफिशियल लैंग्वेज एंड डैश वाज डिसरिगार्डेड. श्रीलंका में किस लैंग्वेज को ऑफिशियल लैंग्वेज डिक्लेयर किया गया और किसको इनकार किया गया, इग्नोर किया गया? 14th नंबर क्वेश्चन, तमिल्स डिमांडेड एन इंडिपेंडेंट स्टेट डैश. किस इंडिपेंडेंट स्टेट का डिमांड तमिल्स ने की है? What is incorrect about accommodation of Belgium? पावर शेयरिंग अरेंजमेंट इन बेल्जियम को लेकर नीचे जो पॉइंट्स हैं उसमें से कौन कौन गलत है, कौन सही है? एक कोई गलत है. व्हाट इज इनकरेक्ट? 15th A. Equal number of ministers in central government. B statement is more power to central government. Third, equal representation in Brussels. Fourth, 3 community governments in Belgium. Fifth, Sinhala was declared as official language. So these are the 5 statements. Any one is wrong. That you have to find out which statement, which number is wrong. A, B, C, D, E. So it is about question number 15. Now question number 16. In Sri Lanka, dash religion was supported by government. In Sri Lanka, which religion was supported by government? 17 number question. Dash demanded regional autonomy. Dash demanded regional autonomy. Which community demanded regional autonomy? 18th, cultural groups in the society is called dash. If in the society there is cultural groups, that is called what? 19, civil war in Sri Lanka was the result of defective power sharing. True false it is. श्रीलंका में जो सिविल वार हुआ वह डिफेक्टिव पावर शेयरिंग का नतीजा था. इज इट ट्रू और फॉल्स? एंड द लास्ट क्वेश्चन 20 क्वेश्चन इज डैश इज द कैपिटल ऑफ श्रीलंका. श्रीलंका का न्यू कैपिटल कौन सा है? व्हाट इज नाउ द कैपिटल ऑफ श्रीलंका? So this way, these are the 20 questions. If you have replied, check your answers, and now I am bringing answers to all these 20 questions here. Here are answers to all those 20 questions. Match it and calculate your marks. If you have done well, then congratulations. If any questions left you could not complete, then work hard, watch the videos, learn the book, read the notes and prepare it for your board exam. Thank you. Thanks for watching. If you feel video useful, please subscribe it, like it and give your comment how and what you have learned from this video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.